Hi everyone, Cheryl here from Love and Light Yoga, and thank you for joining me for this quick 10-minute full body relaxing practice. You don't need anything for this, just yourself and your mat, and whenever you are ready, let's begin. Okay everyone, so let's begin by coming down onto our mats and just walking the hands out into a tabletop. Wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. And we'll just start by taking a few gentle cat-cows. Inhaling as we look forward and drop the belly. Exhaling as we tuck the chin into the chest and round the spine. Every inhale, rolling the spine forwards. Every exhale, rolling the tailbone under. And just starting to focus on your breath here. Maybe start slowing down the breath. Linking up this movement with your own inhale and exhale. Giving the body time and space to open up. We don't have to go too deeply into these movements just yet. Nice, and then we might bring the toes together, take the knees as wide as the mat, and as we exhale, we're going to round the back and sit the bum back towards the heels. As we inhale, we think about dragging the body forwards and all the way up, arch the back. Exhale, round the back, sit back. So every inhale, we're rolling forwards and up. Every exhale, take it back. Keeping this awareness on your breath the entire time. Nice, and then the next time that we exhale, we're going to sit the bum back towards the heels, stop and hold it here, and then thread that left arm in underneath the right and take the left cheek down towards the mat. Maybe close the eyes here and just focus on softening into this posture. With every exhale, soften the upper back, soften the hips, the shoulders. Take a few deep breaths. And maybe we keep the cheek on the floor, or maybe we turn and place the forehead on the mat. After your next exhale, release, send the left arm forwards and thread the right arm in underneath the right. Bring the right cheek towards the mat. And once again, just surrender into this posture. Soften the body down. Relax your hips, your back, shoulders and the arms. And maybe we turn the head, place the forehead on the ground, see how that feels. After your next exhale, release from this thread the needle pose. Send both the hands forwards and melt your chest down towards the floor. We can either bring the forehead onto the mat or the chin onto the mat, looking forwards towards the fingertips. Welcoming that lovely stretch into the upper back. Stretching out that little space right in between the shoulder blades. And then we release by sliding the hands back slightly, taking the hips forwards, and then lowering yourself all the way down to your belly. Take the elbows in underneath the shoulders, palms of the hands on the floor, and lift your chest. Roll the shoulders back, look forwards. Take a few deep breaths here, Sphinx pose. And if it works for your body, we might tuck the chin in towards the chest and maybe find a few little half neck circles, just rocking one ear to one shoulder and then across to the other side. And then coming back to center, return yourself back onto hands and knees. And from here, we're going to take a quick downward facing dog. So spread those fingers wide, tuck the toes under, lift the hips, send them back. Feel free to keep a nice deep bend through the knees if that's what your body needs. Maybe we find some movement by pedaling out the feet, bending one knee at a time. Just finding whatever nice organic movement your body feels like it needs. Maybe that's stillness, maybe that's movement. And then come to find stillness, either with knees straight or with a nice deep bend through the knees. Take one more full breath. And then slowly lower the knees all the way back to the floor, sit the bum back, and meet me in a butterfly position with soles of the feet together. Let the knees open out towards the side. And just take a second here to find a little bit of length through your back, crown of the head reaching high, shoulders relaxed. And take the feet as close in towards the body as feels comfortable. You can take hold of your feet, your ankles, your shins, and just sit up tall. Maybe close the eyes. And just focus on deepening your breath here, breathing deep down into the belly and exhaling fully all the way out. Allowing the knees to drop open towards the mat. And if it feels good, maybe fold the upper body forwards in between the legs. Let the forehead drop. Surrendering into this posture, finding stillness, allowing gravity to take over, so we're not trying too hard to do anything at all. We are just breathing, letting gravity do most of the work. Breathing into your lower back, your hips, your upper back. Take one more full breath here. And then slowly come all the way back up into center. Draw the knees together, soles of the feet on the floor, and just take a little hug around those knees. Take the right hand behind your hip and find a nice easy twist. You might start to look out over that right shoulder. Exhale back to center, take it the other way, just twisting towards the left, gazing out over that left shoulder. And then exhale back through center. And thank you so much for practicing with me. I hope you are feeling good. I hope the breath has calmed and you're feeling a little bit more relaxed. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you would like to see more like this, please subscribe and have a fantastic rest of your day or night. Namaste.